Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video we are going to focus on how to create virtual environments and on how to activate it. So for you to activate a virtual environment, you have to ensure that you have Python installed, and to check Python if it installed, you can open your terminal and then type Python 3 version, then hit enter. You can see I have Python 3.13.7 version installed. I also have Python 3.14 already installed as well. I can check. So I have these two Python versions installed. So I have to choose which Python environment that I want to create. So I'm going to choose Python 3.14, which is the latest Python, to create virtual environment out of it. So to do that, let's go back to our Visual Studio Code, and then we'll go to the terminal, and here at the terminal to create a virtual environment for those who are using Unix or Linux. So you can do this by Python 3.14, then Venv stands for virtual environment, and give it a name. So in this case, I will be giving it a name.env. You can give any name that you choose here. So hit enter, give it a few seconds to create that virtual environment, and you can notice here virtual environment folder has been created automatically. So we give it 1 second to completely create it. Once it has created, now we need to activate it. So for those who are using Linux like me, I'm using Debian. So to activate it, it's very simple. You write source and then the virtual environment name, of which in this case I have .env, and then write a bin, then activate. Okay. For those on Windows, I'm going to show you in 1 second. You can confirm that our virtual environment has been activated. So how do you know that virtual environment has been activated? If you see these parentheses, and then inside those parentheses you can see we have the virtual environment name. So this is how you activate virtual environment on Linux operating system. So to deactivate it, you just have to write deactivate, then hit enter. You can see these parentheses are not here. That means now you have gone back to the global environment. Okay. So for those who are using Windows, it's very simple. This source, then environment name. I think you use something like backward slash and then bin, backward slash and then script. Scripts, sure that this is in capital. Okay. Then you hit enter. For those who are in Windows, that's how you activate. So that is it for this video. If you want more of software engineering and web development tips, please consider subscribing to this channel so that you don't be left out. Bye bye. See you in the next tip.